Hello, my friends. I hope you're doing well. Hey, we have something special and different today. We get to go to a friend's house and do some cooking. Well, you get to watch me go to a friend's house and do some cooking. And so that's why I don't have my apron on now, because we're going to be being there in a few minutes. But I wanted to show you a couple of books. Do you have a cookbook at home? Do you like to help mom and dad in the kitchen? Well, I found a really cute one. It's called, a friend of mine told me about it. It's called I Hereby Crown You Chef. And so it's pretty girly. It's for girls to enjoy, but it's got some wonderful poems to it, and it comes with some really fun accessories. And so I recommend it. I think it's really great. And then also I have some books called I Love Vegetables. Do you love vegetables? I hope you do, because they're so good for you. And this has some really great advice about how to choose and how to cook and how to preserve different kinds of vegetables. So if this is something that, ask mom or dad and see if they're interested. If they are, I have a limited supply of those for you. So if you're interested, we can get those for you. So now we're gonna go to a friend's house. Miss Stephanie invited me over to her house with Hope and Hannah, and we had some fun. So I hope you enjoy this. And we did remember several things to pay attention to when we cook. That is to make sure you're on a safe stool. You're standing on a safe stool so you can reach the counter. That we wash our hands. They have an apron on, so that way it keeps the dog hair from getting in the food. And also that we be careful with sharp knives and hot things. So yeah, so I hope you enjoy it. And yeah, here we go. It's story time, oh gather all around. It's story time, crisscross, sit on the ground. Oh, well, maybe we shouldn't sit down on the ground, because we're going to do some cooking with my two friends. Can you introduce everyone to you?
I'm Hannah. Hobie.
And
I'm Hope, and I'm 2.
And you're 2?
I'm 5.
Very good. Well, before we start, could you raise your hand if you have washed your hands?
And what's your name?
Oh, thank you. I'm Miss Janet. Thank you for pointing that out. Now, raise your hand if you've washed your hands. Yay. Raise your hand if you have an apron on. Ta-da! Good job. Ta-da! And we're gonna take a look. Hang on. We're gonna take a look and see what you guys are standing on. And you guys are standing on stools, aren't you? Look at how safe you are. And yes, and Mom is sitting over next to us, so which is so good, because we always want to have a mommy in the kitchen when we're doing cooking. Now, Hannah, can you share with a chair? You're right.
One thing.
Yes.
So this, moms and dads, you can read this. If the child wants to hear me, that's fine. So this is my safety book.
Thank you very much. And can you show us the very first page? It's so important.
This is the very first. Do not touch hot things unless they're cooled down and stuff.
Right.
And don't touch sharp things.
Sharp things. That's right.
And don't mom and dad are helping you. Fire.
Yes. Don't touch. That's very, very important.
Burn us.
That's right. So listen, what we're going to make today is some corn dog muffins. So what we're going to do is we've got our bowl, and we're going to put a muffin mix in there. And so here's our muffin mix. Can you try to rip that open for me? Can you do that?
I'm going to rip this open.
Okay.
And I want to pour that
And you get to help. You get to help. So we're all going to work together. You want to help with the egg?
Yeah.
Good job, Miss Hannah. Look at how strong your hands get when you open the packaging. Good job. Maybe Miss Janet could do the unfolding. Would that be okay? And let's let can we have Hannah do this? Hannah, can you pour this? Hope, can you pour this in there?
Everybody, make sure you're all sharing. If you have a sister or brother, or if you just have a brother or you just have a sister.
Right?
That's fine. I want to do this.
I know, and look at what you already did. Now we're going to pour 1/3. Oh, what? Do you know what this is? What is this called?
a measuring cup.
That's right. And so can you hold the measuring cup for me? So be sister's turn, and then you can help. So Miss Janet's going to go ahead and pour 1/3 of a cup of milk in there. Good job. And go ahead and dump it in. Good job. And now you can hand that to sister, and she can hold on to it. And I'm going to crack an egg and put it into the cup. And then you can pour it into the bowl. Good job. Nicely done. All right. So now we're going to mix it. So we'll let Sissy do a couple turns, and then Miss Hope, you can help. So we are stirring, stirring, stirring. Got to break that egg up. Good job. Look at that.
Girls and boys, just if you have a mom or dad there, or a grandma or grandpa, or even one,
Go ahead.
just in case you don't have a mom or dad, and if you have a grandpa or grandma or any parent there, grown up, I mean.
Right. Right.
You can always help and cook with them.
Right.
These hot dog muffins.
Yes, ma'am. That is so true.
Done.
Now, oh, that's very good. Thank you so much. So we're going to probably keep this in the bowl, and I'm going to move it back over this way. And I'm going to hand to you guys some hot dogs. So we're going to do some. So first thing we want to do is have
this.
a.
It's on mine.
I know. What is that called? What is that thing in front of you?
Here, Hobie. Here's hot dog.
Is that a cutting board?
Yeah.
What do we do on a cutting board?
To hot
That's right, we do. And so we're going to take, your mom has these really nice knives that she got on Amazon for a pack of 3 for only about $8. So that was one. Let's give this one to Hopi. And so we need to be careful not to cut our fingers. So the first thing we're going to do is cut it in half. Push it down. Good job. Good job. And then can you cut that one in half? Good. Good. Watching your fingers. A little bit. Maybe you could cut it in half again. Good job. We're super careful. Good job. And can you cut that one again? Oh my goodness. Do you think you can? Good job. Good job. Good. Yay. Look at Hobie. Good job. Can you cut this one in half?
Yeah.
Okay. There you go. Keep cutting. Keep those fingers back. Good job. And we'll cut again. Can you cut them again? And push, push, push. Push, push, push. Good job. That's some really good cutting. Good job. And let's do this one. Can you do that one? Watch your fingers. Gotta keep your fingers back.
Girls
There
and
we go.
boys, make sure you're all with your family.
Yes.
Just in case your
Thank
dad or
you.
mom.
Oh, those are wonderful. Can you stack them up? Can you stack them up like this? Can you, let's see if we can make a pattern. And you can tell me how many hot dogs you ended up with. How many hot dogs did you end up with?
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Good
5,
job.
6,
Yeah?
7, 8,
Good.
9,
Excellent.
10,
There's lots of them.
11.
Good, 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 good. Now, what I'm going to do is take some spray, and I'm going to spray these small mini tins, and we spray lots of oil in them so they don't
And I have 12.
get
I
sticky.
have 12. I have 8.
Okay, well, that'll work too. That'll work too.
I have some too,
Well,
like you.
yeah, we're going to scoop some of this up into the pan.
I can do that.
I know you can. Let's let Sissy go first, and she's gonna scoop and put into the pan. And you gotta turn it over. Oh, good job.
Now
Good
I
job.
want to do
Yep, just a second. Sissy's gonna try again. Get a nice big scoop, and there you go. Good job. All right, sister, there you go. All right, Hope, there you go. Can you put it in there? There you go. Can you?
Girls and boys, just make sure everybody gets a turn.
Yes, that's so nice.
Now one more scoop. Big
Yeah, okay,
kids,
one more scoop.
If you're old like me, let the little sissies go first.
Oh, that is
Just
that's
so
so
silly
nice.
nice.
Yeah. Yeah, because they're still learning, aren't they? Yeah. Are you getting hot?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's kind of warm. Does it? Oh, you know, the things we do, I tell you. All right, well, so we can have a few more scoops.
No, I want to do it.
Well, all right then. Should we let sister do it for a couple
Yeah.
of times? All right, Sissy, go ahead. Can you go, Hannah, can you give us a few more scoops in here? Whoa.
A little too close, Sissy.
There was a little bit. And so let's go ahead and just have another one. Can you do another one? Big scoop. Scoop-a-doop up there. There you go. All
Make
right.
sure.
Yeah, it's good to
Goes like
drag it
this.
off of there. Good job. And we're scooping it in. Good job. Excellent. Isn't that cool how that works? All right, Sissy, I'm going to go ahead. Are you guys ready to put your hot dogs in?
Yep.
Yeah? Well, just
got
for
to know.
just because we don't want this to be super long. Hold on just a second.
Now I want the one.
I know.
what?
Are you ready to put some hot dogs in? Okay, let me do
I want to do some.
I know you do. In just a second. Are you ready?
I
Which
wanna do
hot dog
that.
are you going to do first?
This.
Okay. So let's go ahead and there you go. Just like you it's almost like you guys know what you're doing. Look at this. So push it down in there. Good job. Good job. So we need each one needs to have a hot dog in it. Because these are corn dog muffins. Have you guys ever had a corn dog?
No.
They're pretty tasty. There you go. Nice job. Oh, look how nice you shared. This looks terrific. Good job. So we're going to bake these for 12 minutes at 400 degrees. And guess what they're going to look like?
What?
I can actually help you and let you know what they look like.
Now I want.
Look at this. Ta-da! It's almost like magic. They are out, and let's see if they, oh, and they pop out. So maybe if we had an extra paper towel, we could lay that out because we have a little bit of muffin mix. Do you want to touch it? Remember what was the rule about touching stuff?
Make sure. Be careful.
Right?
Hot things.
Right. Be careful with hot things. So we're going to see if we can get them out. Oh, look at that. Does this look tasty? It does. And so be careful. Be careful. Good job. These look kind of tasty. Do you think they smell good? Let's not eat those. We don't eat raw hot dogs because they can make us sick, but we do eat cooked hot dogs, don't we, sometimes? So good job. Girls, does this look like a good lunch? I think we should have some lunch. So can you tell everybody goodbye and thanks for coming by? And we will see them soon.
Story time. It's story time.
Well, I should have let her sing.
When's
Can you go ahead and sing for us? No? Okay, that's shy.
crisscross
Okay.
sit on the ground.
Well,
Hello, girls and boys. Make sure you're not sitting down. Mom, do I have we are going to do a different kind of cooking project.
yes, we are. What do you think we're going to make?
We're going to make
Can we cut up some
Some.
strawberries?
strawberries, and then we're going to do a taste test.
All right. Well, let's go
All
ahead and
those muffins.
we're going to cut up the
And
strawberry. Let's
I'm
be
gonna
super
read
careful with that.
One more of these,
Good job.
which you already know.
Good job.
I'm going to read another of these.
Oh, are you? Well, you know, I think they got it. So I think let's go ahead and
But
take.
there's
Can you
more than
push on
just
this one?
There's more than just one.
I know it, but we're not talking about bike safety. We're just going to be talking about safety here at your house. And you know what? Look out! What else I have that we can cut up is some bananas. Should we cut up some bananas?
Girls and boys, if it's hard for you to open bananas, ask a parent to help.
Yeah, let's do. Let's see. Why don't you cut? Can you cut up our banana for us? Watch your fingers. Keep your fingers back. Good girl. Excellent. Good. Keep those bananas. There you go. So bananas are good to cut up because they're soft.
I did
You did it. Good job.
it! Mom, I did the banana!
Can you cut this other banana? Yeah. So keep our fingers back.
Just
There you
in
go.
case there's babies in your house.
Good job.
Make
Ever
sure
so
it's that
gentle.
small.
Good.
pieces If babies are here.
I see that. Good job.
You should make sure it's like
Can
this
you do
and
one
cut
more?
it.
Can you cut this one? There you go. Good
Then we'll
job.
get to eat it.
Oh, look at that. Yes, we can. So can you go ahead and cut your
Mommy, I did
the
it.
stems off of your wait, what are these things called?
Strawberry.
Strawberries. That's right. That's exactly right.
I did it. You haven't had these in a while.
I haven't. Apparently I haven't had them in a while. Can I borrow your knife for a minute? Or maybe, Mama, I could borrow a sharper knife so I can peel this kiwi, and then you can cut the kiwi for us. Thank you. So I'm gonna just peel this off. It's not very ripe. Do you like kiwis? Have you ever had a kiwi?
No.
No? Okay. Well,
Every
we
time
can,
I asked her
That's
to try
okay.
one, she
Yeah.
tries it, but she's like,
well, they kind of look suspect because they look like they're hairy, you know? But
Hannah, do you like kiwis? Yes. Do you
Well,
know what they taste like?
what do they taste like?
Kind of hard and kind of juicy.
Mm-hmm. Hard and juicy? Yeah. Yeah.
I don't like kiwis.
Okay, that's fine.
Can you just try
Would you like to cut one up though? See if you can cut one up. What do you think? You think you can cut it? Oh, it's pretty hard. Oh, look, let's not get our fingers in there. You're right. How about if I cut it? Look at how my fingers are held back from where we're cutting. So we'll be very careful. How many pieces do I have?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Nice job, that's right. And we could make a pattern with them, couldn't we? We could go kiwi, banana, kiwi. What would come next?
Kiwi.
Right, or do you think maybe banana, kiwi, banana, kiwi?
Banana.
Banana, that's right. Good job. All right, how are we doing over here, Hope? Or Hannah? Oh, look at that. You are cutting that up so nicely. I'm going to get a closer shot of how good you guys are doing. Nice job. Oh, look at that. Cutting through that cucumber. Oh, my goodness.
But Hannah, I did it.
You did. You did a wonderful job. That is really good job. And look what we can do. We can
And then
put some
this.
skewers together. Mama had these. These are better than what Miss Janet has because I have enormous ones. Let's see. This is a brand new
I
package.
can't understand it.
Look at that. Oh my goodness. Hey, can you stick a banana on here for me? Can you put a banana? I'll do the first one. I'm going to put one on. And then can you stick another banana on there? Good. And now can you stick a strawberry on there for me? Good. So we got banana, strawberry. Good. Can we do 2 more bananas? 1.
Brown. 1.
Good. What kind of a pattern would you choose, Hannah?
I do.
Watch your fingers. Good job. And then do you think we can get a banana, or whoops, these are sliding off. Do you think we can get one more strawberry on there? Those are huge strawberries. Okay. Oh, looks like we are full. Look at that. Oh, this looks tasty. Oh, it tastes good too. Thanks for sharing. Good job.
And then I have to cut this.
You're gonna cut that one
Side
too?
to side.
I am so
Front,
impressed and slightly terrified of
side
this.
to
This
side.
is, there you go. Oh, look at that. Good job. Good job. So it's been established that these can't cut except if you're a vegetable. So since you're not a vegetable, then I think you're good. Look at that. Oh, this is can you show everybody what you made? That is delicious. Oh, good. Girls, I think we're ready for lunch. What do you think? Yeah? Can you tell everybody goodbye and thank you?
Bye.
And we'll see them next time on Story Time with Miss Janet. Hopi, can you tell them bye?
Bye.
Or can you look up at the camera and say bye?
Bye.
There you go. Thank you, dear.
Turn